guys, Haven here. I'm about to make myself something to eat, and what I came up with is this brand of SpaghettiOs. Whatever the fuck it is, it's disgusting. This is the finished product. I don't know if you can see that, but that is disgusting. I would not feed this to my dog, let alone eat it myself. I can't believe I bought that at Wood. I'm never gonna buy this again. I never should have bought this in the first place. I don't know what the fuck happened, but that is disgusting. I will just stick to Chef Boyardee cans, not $1 off-brand bullshit, whatever the fuck that is. That is not even food. I don't know what that is, but that was disgusting to find out. I know now to only buy Chef Boyardee, and this is not sponsored by them, by the way, but I'm not buying that ever again. I don't know. This is not food. This is bullshit. That's disgusting. I will never eat that. Never want to look at that again. That is, just no. On the other hand, this is what food is supposed to look like. Not that shit. I don't know, but that is not food, for sure. I don't even think I want to give that to my dog. Like, that is how bad it is. I don't know, I'm thirsty and hungry and I want something to eat, but I don't know. I don't know. I just know I'm not gonna buy that anymore. This is an off-brand. Do not ever buy anything off-brand. Always buy name-brand food because you know that stuff is good. And the off-brand stuff is not good at all. Okay, so just don't ever buy off-brand food. Otherwise, you'll be eating this shit. And it's disgusting. Yeah. I don't want to eat that. That makes me want to puke. Just, no. I would rather have Chef Boyardee. This is just a lot better. And just, yeah. Oh, never doing that again. This is what food is supposed to look like. Whoops, I'm spilling this all over. Oh well. That is what food is supposed to look like, not that. Just know, never buy that stuff because that is what you're going to be eating. That's the Chef Boyardee right here. And that is this bullshit right here. That's fucking sick. I would not eat that. I would not even, feed that to my children. Let alone feed that to myself or my dog. That's just how bad I don't want to eat that. I opened the can up, and it was dripping some kind of weird, oozy crap that, I don't know, I think this can may be expired or something. I don't know what it is, but I don't know, it's just not, it's not even in English. There's Spanish stuff on here too. See, right there. Spanish. And all the nutrition facts are in Spanish too. But I mean, there's still English, but I'll just know never to buy that again because that was disgusting. I think I'd rather stick with Chef Boyardee all the way because that's just what I want, and that's what I'm gonna buy. Because you get your money's worth when you buy the name brand stuff. Yeah, it may be a little bit more expensive, but it's a more quality tasting food. That's where they get you, is the quality tasting food. I'd rather have quality tasting food that's a little bit more expensive than a cheap brand that tastes like garbage. That is not my style, okay? That's just not how I roll. Well, I guess I'm going to end this video here and eat my food. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.